Market update on the 5th. Hopefully you watched the video I put out earlier. It was at 372. I was saying buy. I think we're going to go a lot higher. We did go higher. We didn't get the move that I was thinking that we were going to get, though. We ended up getting a corrective move higher, which is fine, but it wasn't exactly what I was looking for, and it makes me think that honestly, this whole move is starting to make me think that we actually already finished the overall third wave, and we're not in the fourth wave of the overall third wave, which I had charted before. Although we did hit the 1.61 fib of the A wave today, so if that ends up being the top, then we could still consider this being the third wave not finished yet. We could go down to 350 after that. But if this drags on, I would say that it's more likely that the third wave ended right here. So we got 3, 4, 5, and then we're just in a move right here. We have A, B, C, A, B. Most likely, I think this is going to come down because this is corrective wave, should get another move down, in my opinion, based on that, because it looks like an expanded flat. So we hit the 1.23 fib, come down here to either the bottom of this or all the way down to 369, potentially all the way down to 365. And that would be the overall B wave. So we have A, B, C, A, B, C down here. I don't know if it'll go that far. If this plays out, that's what I'd be looking for. So A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C wave down here. 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, the only thing about that is this also is looking corrective so far. We'll see tomorrow, though. It could just move down pretty swiftly and change. But this is definitely corrective. So I'd say the most likely scenario is we move down here to at least 371, and then we move higher. And at that point, a lot of different targets could be in play. If this completed the overall third wave, we could potentially go to we could go all the way to, that's the wrong one. $390. If that were the case, I would consider this the end of the C wave and we bottomed. So that would be the absolute bottom. If we only come up here and go to like 381, then I think there's a very good chance based on where we're at in the chart. So if we zoom out here, let's just say, since this fourth wave has taken a long time, that the overall third wave or the overall C wave is actually finished already. And if we go to 381, we're not even close to the first wave at all. But if we go to 390, we'll intersect with the overall first wave. And the most likely scenario after that would be that we are looking at A, B, C higher, and then probably a pullback, and then another move higher into midterms. So yeah, today just kind of made me think that there's a potential that we've already bottomed, just because the length of this fourth wave, it started on September 29th. It's already been 6 days. If this was the overall fourth wave of the overall third wave, the third wave is only 6 days long. So this has already hit the same length as the overall third wave of the third wave. And so I think it's more likely that the third wave's already ended based on that. So the good thing is it didn't really affect that much of the chart, but I think that's more likely that we already either bottomed or we're doing an overall fourth wave right now, and we'll see one more move lower. If we go to 381, I would look at, let's see. Well, even if we went to like 387 or 390, we could still see 350 all the way down to 342. But I think that with these moves, there's a chance that we've already bottomed. So we either already bottomed or we're completing the overall fourth wave. And as I said, on the smaller time frames, the most likely scenario is we do come down here and then go higher after that. And then potentially we either go straight down or we go up here and then we come down here and then we go even higher, maybe into midterms. So like this. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. This is a corrective move and a lot of corrective moves within it. One of the trickiest moves I've seen in a while because it's all corrective moves. And so you got to realize that when it's a corrective move, there's going to be a lot of pullbacks and a lot of chop. And so for that reason, I think there's a very good chance we come back down here to the lower 370s one more time before going higher. But then again, I also said that this move right here looked corrective at the end of the day, but it was also on the 1 minute time frame. So we'll have to see what tomorrow brings. It's going to be interesting to see if we've already bottomed in the overall market and we're going to go higher from here. But I think that we are not ready to go lower yet, besides maybe a dip to 370. I think there's going to be another move higher after that. So I'm leaning towards, I don't know, I'm kind of 50-50 right now. It's really tricky to say. I'm 50-50. Either one of these plays could play out. We don't know yet. But one thing that I'm pretty sure about is the overall third wave is finished. And I got that part wrong. So the good thing is it didn't affect the chart. And we had to just look at little parts of the chart in order to trade anyway. And this looks corrective. So I would label that A, B. And we should get another move down here soon. If not, it's going to be some kind of weird A, B, C, A, B, A, B, C, B, blah, 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 double three, triple three higher. But I don't really see that happening. So I'll put the key takeaways in the description. This video I know is kind of all over the place because the chart is hard right now. I mean, you have people trying to say this is an impulsive move right now. This is not an impulsive move. You can see that pretty easily when you just take your parallel lines and like it doesn't even come close. There's one guy had this as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not an impulsive move. So if you get that wrong, then you're potentially going to screw yourself when you're trading. You know, if you're looking at higher time frames on the 1 hour, 2 hour, you're just guessing pretty much. You have to go down to the lower time frames to really figure out these moves and know exactly what's happening. And I think a lot of people just stay on higher time frames and really limit the usefulness of Elliott wave. So I'm looking for a move down tomorrow and then a move higher. We're not finished with this move. I don't think we topped out yet, but I do think we're going to get a pullback here soon. Let me know what you think in the comments, and please like and subscribe for more updates. I'll try to do some more midday videos, so if I get the right part of the day, I can potentially help you out with making some money on some moves like we did today. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess actually let's check out the VIX real quick. The VIX, this is pretty interesting for the VIX. I think I said in the last video we had not crossed the parallel line. We did today, and we almost hit my target of 28.36. We went to 28.51. This looks like A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's next? That is very likely, or if we bottom the overall market, it would be like this. Two potentials, higher than this high, or A, B, C, lower. I would say, I think this is a very good shot. We're going to go higher. I think we're going to go make a new low in the market, and I don't think we're finished. Based on where we go, I don't think we're going to go that low, though. I think we're going to go to like 345, 350 potentially. So we'll have to see. Did we bottom, or are we going to go higher? Did we bottom, or are we going to go lower? Let me know what you think in the comments. I want to hear your opinion. Did you trade today? Did you make any money? Any other comments you want to leave, go ahead. And I will see you tomorrow with some more updates.